We'll guide you through how to stop location sharing in Google Maps. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Google Maps. So perhaps you started location sharing with somebody and now you want to go and stop it. Perhaps when you first set it up, you set it for the day and now you finish with it sort of earlier in the day. So now you want to go and stop it so they can no longer go and see you. We'll guide you through the steps in order to go and do this, and they then won't be able to go and see where you are. It's quite a private thing, be able to go and see exactly where you are. So let's go and stop that. In Google Maps, head to the top right. There you should go and see your profile icon. What you then want to do is go and tap there like so, and you'll go and see some different options. You want to go back down to location sharing like so, and go and tap there. Now you're going to go and see at the bottom that I'm showing my location with Rob Tucker at the top here. I can see that there. They're not showing it with them. And then I've got another Rob Tucker who's showing their location with me. So tap on the person you want to stop sharing your location with, like so. Then what you want to do is down here, you can go and see your location for 50 more minutes. So I could just wait and it'll automatically stop, but I want to go and stop it early. So then what we can do is go and press stop like so. And as you can see, it then says location sharing with Rob Tucker has stopped. That's it. So now they can no longer see where that you are. Of course, you could always go and start sharing it again in the future, but that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.